Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this on my Facebook page, please kindly follow. Today I want to show you on how you can transfer or switch your account to the professional mode. So there's a way you can earn from Facebook. If you have a profile account, it's possible for you to turn on your professional mode. This can help you in process of creative funds and making yourself a content creator and not just a consumer. So I will rather tell you that you should be a content creator in any way, either by posting, especially video, any type. You can earn from there instead of be a consumer. So these are the steps. You click on the dots from the top right, then you scroll down, you turn on you see the turn on the professional mode, click on it. That's all. You accept and all details will be shown there.